Hello learners, welcome back to the channel. So in the HackerRank series, now we have next question. It is about list comprehensions. So let's see about the problem statement. Let's learn about list comprehensions. You are given three integers x, y and z representing the dimensions of a cuboid along with an integer n. Now print a list of all possible coordinates given by I, j, k on a 3D grid where the sum of I plus j plus k is not equal to n. Now here, as you can see, they have also given the conditions about I. So first we have the three integers x, y and z, and then we have another integer n, and also we have the coordinates they have given I, j, k. So let's see. First, x is 1, y is 1 and z is 2 suppose, and n is 3. So all permutations of I, j, k are, it could be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 or 0, 0, 2, like that same. So we'll again do the 0, 1, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, and then 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 2. So all these things print an array of the elements that do not sum to n is equal to 3. So here as you can see, it is whichever is I plus j plus k is not equal to 3. So these all are the array which is not the sum of 3. So suppose, let me tell you here. So this we have to print, okay. From all the permutations that will be possible, we have to remove which is not summing to the n, okay. So the suppose input is 1, 1, 1, and then what the n is 2. So if the any permutations from of the coordinates which is not adding up to 2, so what is the output here? So see, 0, 0, 0, it is not adding up to 2, 0, 0, 1 not adding up to 2, 0, 1, 0 not adding up to 2, and then 1, 0, 0 not adding up to 2, and then last 1, 1, 1 which is adding up to 3, right? So the output you need output of an array which contains the coordinates of which is not summing up to the n, that will be given. So again you can read this to understand each variable x, y and z will have values of 0 or 1. All permutations of list in the form I, j, k would be all these 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, like that. So remove all arrays that sum to n is equal to 2, and so we'll see sample input. Suppose if we have given x is equal to 2, y equal to 2, z equal to 2, and n is equal to 2. Now what I will be doing, in the output you will not find any coordinate which is adding up to 2. So see, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, it is adding up to 1, it is adding up to 1, it is adding up to 3, it is adding up to 3, it is adding up to 4. So all these, so all of these which is not adding up to 2, exactly 1, it could be it could be less than or greater than 2, but not adding up to 2. So 2 is here the value of n. Now in the same way we have to write the code which will skip the sum of that n, okay. Whatever the n will come, that we need to remove it, okay. So let's write the what I have to print. I have to print output array, right? So print what? Now I will be writing list comprehension inside this print. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so list comprehension, you start from a list. Now I will be taking another list which will contain our I, J and K. This is the purple one is our the main list. So this is the small one IJK, because I have to loop in this IJK for I in range x plus 1, and like we have to go with or this IJK to the xyz, right? And same way for we have to do for j in range, which range? That would be j plus y plus 1. Okay, why? Because we are doing y plus 1, let me tell you, because as we know in the range function the last number will not include, right? So if the x is 2, but we have to take 2, right? So we have to give in the range function, we have to give 3, so that it will go till 0 1 2. It will not include 3, it will take 2. And if we'll only write x or y here, then it will exclude that value, last value. We don't want that, right? That's why we are adding 1 1 in x, y, and the same we will do for j. And same for k in range z plus 1. Now it will include all. Now what is our condition? Sum if sum of what? This I, J, K, right? The list I, J and K is, what I want is not equal to n, then we will print that value, because what we are doing, everything whatever inside we are printing, right? So we need to give that sum of I, J, K is not equal to n. So all those value we will print. So this is the one-liner list comprehension. So in the IJK list for I in range x plus 1, to include the last value of x as well, we are doing that in the range function. Same for j in range, for k in range, if sum of all these I plus I, j, k is not equal to n, then what we'll do? Then we'll print that. Now run the code. Okay, sorry. That's what I was thinking, why it is. Okay. Okay, so actually the sum function in the sum function what I did, I by mistake I just included this and also, which will not get included. So if sum of only IJK, right, and then not equal to n, it will come outside the function, right? So not equal to n, then we'll print it. So yes, our sample test case has been passed. Now submit the code. Okay, so our all test case has been passed.